So in previous video, we have shown you how to change a password. In this session, we will show you how to create a user. Okay. So under admin module, we have user management, in which we do have user master. Okay. So to create a user, you need to click on the new application user master, enter the username. It can be like ABC, the login ID. Okay. So what is the difference between username and login ID? That's also a question, right? So let's have it. It is my first name and last name, whereas my login ID is my username, which can be something like this. Like my user can be this, right? So this is a way we can create a user. Okay. I also can create a user like this. This is my employee ID. Okay. And I can enter my password. Obviously, I can define my validity days, like this user is valid only for 365 days, or is it valid for up to a certain date, like after 7th of August 2026 this user will be not valid. I mean, the user will be not allowed to log in into any application of Animo Retail. So this is a way we can manage the users, right? Then you can enter the email and mobile number of a user. You need to choose the default language of that user, and a role of user. So what is this role? We will be having a separate video for this, and we'll show you what is role, what is exactly role permission, we how we can manage this permission and everything. Okay. One thing is very important here is corporate user. So if you will tick on it, if you will click on this checkbox of each corporate user, in that case all the below store list, this will be disabled. Okay, like this. And if this is corporate user is not unchecked, I mean if it is unchecked, in that case you can select any of this store as a primary store of this user. So now if this user will try to log in into any other store, he or she will be not able to log in into that store. I mean, this user is allowed to log in only in 001 store, not in any other store. So let's do one thing. Let's create a user and see how it works. Okay. So let's create a user called 001AB. 001A is my user, and this is password. And let's have okay, 001, and save it. Now you can see the user is saved, right? Now log out from here. 001 and 123. Oh, the user was 001A. You see, this is logged in. I have logged in into the application, but I cannot change the organization here, right? Whereas if I log in from the other user, I will be able to log in into, you know any of the store. Okay, so like this. Okay, like this. You can change the store, you can change it from here. So this is a way we can create a user. We can also edit a user just by going in user master. You can click on the user master and you can change it, the values, right? We have shown you the change password as well. Now in the next video we will show you how to create a role, what is the use of this user preference. So both of it. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video.